Welcome back to Carverse. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of motorhomes with the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a premium recreational vehicle that redefines what it means to travel in comfort and style. Built on the solid foundation of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and crafted with high-end materials and advanced technology, this motorhome delivers a 5-star hotel experience on wheels. On the outside, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is sleek and refined. Its aerodynamic shape enhances both fuel efficiency and on-road stability, while the bold front grille and LED headlamps give it a confident upscale look. Subtle chrome details, body-colored bumpers, and sculpted lines add to its elegant presence. Power retractable steps, flush-mounted windows, and a motorized awning with built-in LED lighting bring convenience and style to your outdoor setup. It's available in several premium paint finishes, from classic silver to deep obsidian black. Step inside and it's a world of modern luxury. The cabin is beautifully finished with soft leather seating, real wood cabinetry, and ambient LED lighting throughout. The layout maximizes space, with a fully equipped kitchen featuring a solid surface countertop, induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, microwave, and a full-size refrigerator. Across from the kitchen, you'll find a dinette that converts into an additional sleeping space. The main sleeping area includes a queen-sized memory foam bed with reading lights, USB ports, and plenty of overhead storage. A large skylight above lets in natural light during the day and offers a view of the stars at night. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a vehicle this size, with a separate shower, ceramic toilet, and modern vanity. It's finished with premium fixtures and a high-efficiency water system. Technology is front and center. The motorhome includes a touchscreen control panel for managing lighting, climate, power systems, and tank levels, Wi-Fi connectivity, solar charging, and a lithium-ion battery system make it suitable for both campground stays and off-grid adventures. Entertainment is top-notch, with a smart TV, surround sound, and Bluetooth compatibility. Under the hood, it's powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter diesel engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It delivers smooth and efficient performance, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating narrow campsites. Mercedes' advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system add safety and confidence behind the wheel. Pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome starts around $170,000 and can go up to $220, frozen with all available upgrades. If you're looking for the perfect combination of adventure, luxury, and smart design, this motorhome delivers on every front. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth vehicle reviews.